Bill. Got a little idea here I wanted to share with you. I'm going to make a pulled pork sandwich my way. Okay? It's my way or the highway, right? So first of all, I got a little pulled pork, put it in a pan. You always want to kind of get it kind of seared up a little bit before you do anything. You can probably hear it sizzling here, right? I got just enough to fill one of those big old buns, hamburger buns that you get like a old school diner, and I have to have it, with sesame seeds and all that, right? So now I'm just gonna, I want to actually turn the heat back up. That's what I do. I want to get a little kind of crust on the bottom there and make sure it heats all the way through. And then what I'm doing is, because I like to cook it in, I got some barbecue sauce, and I experiment. I don't want like a really sugary, sweety kind of barbecue. That's not me. You can use my Carolina Gold mustard sauce if you want. I just have some, this is actually a dinosaur barbecue sauce that I like. Sometimes my local store has it on sale. But I'm not trying to drown it. Just want to get enough that it's going to heat in. Because we do want, all barbecue sauces do have, some kind of sugar that we really do want to kind of cook into it, right? But I don't need to cover it. We're just going to let this all happen naturally. Oh man, let me tell you, so that barbecue sauce starts working its way down. And we want to heat it up this way because there's a lot of fat in pulled pork. And so let me tell you about pulled pork. Alright, get yourself a whole shoulder, pork shoulder, and what I like to do is rub it with some canola oil. And then you're going to take a big huge piece of tin foil about this big, because if you have an 8-pound shoulder, it's going to have to be big. And you want the fat side down, tent it, wrap it up real good. Then my secret I learned is, I take another big huge piece of tin, the other direction, roll it up, tent it, seal it up. And that, then when you put it in your big old baking dish or pan, I use a big huge lasagna pan I have, throw it in the oven, cold oven, put the oven like 425, 450, it doesn't really matter. And then after it heats up, you're going to want to give it just enough time that you can really start to smell it. So when you're like going, something's in the oven, go back, turn the oven to 250, and it's going to take 10-12 hours. And you want to just fall apart. That's the best way to make pulled pork. And I've experimented. You can leave it plain. Sometimes I'll put a little pork rub on it, like I use for my ribs. But yeah, the best thing is to do. Why waste your time? I like to get the whole thing. And actually, me, I look for the deals. I saw pork shoulders, $1.99. I scooped that right up. Alright, everything in here is starting to get nice and bubbly. Let's see how talented I am. So here's my bun. These are just local local fare, but they're good. I've done these like as sliders too. For some reason, I guess sliders aren't popular anymore because I can't find slider buns nowhere. Okay, so next important thing, get it pickles. Okay, so these are from the refrigerator aisle. Don't get the ones that are sitting out. You want the refrigerator ones, right? I'm just gonna put a couple pickles right here. turn this off because I know this is good and toasty. So I got all that nice caramelized. Alright. So I flipped that a little bit, that's okay. Man. Oh. Okay. So that's a good start, right? We're not finished. We're not even nearly finished. Well, yeah, we are. So, give me some leftover mac and cheese and I'll put the link. So, I usually put cheese on, right? And I was thinking, how about mac and cheese? Because we want a sandwich that's bigger than life. So you know, when you come to my house, no one goes home hungry. I don't let anyone starve. So, this is why I keep my freezer full of leftovers. Because that little bit of mac and cheese, a little bit of pork, had some nice, actually the rolls I bought fresh because I'm going to cook out some burgers. Because it's season's coming to an end real quick. But what a better way to get your whole meal all at once. Let me tell you, I could wrap these up, sell them from a food truck and make $1 million, because that's the way, of course, they charge $1 million because there's all that good food in there, right? Anyway, I just want to show you something really quick, simple, and delicious, and I am drooling because it smells really good. It is really good. Like always, appreciate the comments, suggestions. I always like suggestions. Of course, keep on making sure you're subscribed and you're watching my videos. And I do appreciate that, and I will see you soon with another video. Have a great day.